Hello, everyone!
We're here for the daily safety check. Safety check just means more waiting. Cones are like a warning. Be careful. Don't come here. Cones are just in the way. They slow us down. Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone, Bruner. Stay safe, Bruner. Don't lift anything too heavy. Now we can finally get some REAL work done. And fast! Going all the way around will take forever! There! Path is clear. Come on, Micky. I found a super fast shortcut. Follow me. Ooh, a shortcut. Micky loves shortcuts. Ooh. Whoa!
I'm stuck! Oh no! Oh, Micky, stop spinning your wheels! You're sinking!
I can't reach you. It's too sticky. The cones. Jin and Poli were right. This is all my fault.
Jin! Help! It's an emergency! Micky is stuck!
Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue!
Oh my! Look at that concrete!
Bruner!
What happened to the safety cones? Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no!
The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing.
Gotcha, Micky! Oh! Hold on tight! He's not budging! Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too!
This isn't just a pulling problem. Roy has no traction.
Aha! Traction. That's the grip your tires need to push or pull.
The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads.
I saw them!
Helly, get your harness. Bruner, help Jin get those pads ready. Okay, Bruner. I'm perfect. I've got it.
Coming in, Roy! Get ready! Perfect, Helly! Activating! Stabilizer jacks!
The jacks and pads spread Roy's weight out, so he won't sink. Okay, Micky, this is it. Mega-Winch, Pew L.
I'm moving! I'm moving!
Team free! You did it, Roy!
Micky is a concrete statue! Jin? Poli, I'm sorry. I thought I was being fast, but I made a mess.
Safety rules aren't there to slow you down. They protect your friends.
Always follow the safety signs.
Everyone, what's that sound? His backup alarm is broken. He can't see the wall.
I've got it!
Roy can't hold it forever. We have to secure the wall. Engineering. We need to build buttresses.
It's in place. Ah, yeah! I really helped.
Safety first!
Be safe out there.